Still on the agricultural front, data shows that this sector grew at a much slower pace during the first quarter of the year. However, production value went up at 444 billion pesos because prices of commodities shot up during this period. Here's our Bizwatch correspondent Andre Ko with the details.
The agricultural sector grew at only 1.47% during the first quarter of the year, according to the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA. During the same period last year, this growth was at 5.28%, and the previous quarter, growth was at 3.95%. However, production value shot up to 8.94% due to higher commodity prices. Farm gate prices went up by 7.36% on the average during this same period. The PSA noted price increases in all subsectors, namely crops at 6.33%, livestock at 13.07%, poultry at 3.13%, and fisheries at 9.68%. The PSA also noted weaker production gains in most of these sectors, with the fisheries sector declining by 4.61%.
Agriculture Secretary Manny Puñol, however, is optimistic about the rebound of the agricultural sector because the Department of Agriculture is strengthening its financing programs. The Secretary specifically pointed out the Production Loan Easy Access and the Special Area for Agricultural Development Programs, which are now contributing to greater productivity. More details from our Bizwatch correspondent.
Secretary Piñol said that this decline in the first quarter was expected because of the closed fishing season in many fishing grounds all over the country from December to March. However, the sector is expected to recover in the second quarter. Fisheries contributed 58.8 billion pesos to the total agricultural output last year, which is 4.63% improvement from last year's gross earnings. The crop subsector registered 8.13% growth but slowed down this year. Palay and corn production posted production increases of 4.61% and 4.66%, although the NFA ran out of buffer stocks on rice. Price of palay continued to rise with a 10.13% increment because of higher buying prices from traders. Corn, however, posted a 22.13% gain due to improved quality of kernels and higher demand from feed millers and processors. The livestock sector posted a 2.11% growth, which is lower than the 3.24% growth in the same period last year, but registered 15.46% higher production value. Meanwhile, the poultry subsector's gross earnings went up to 57.5 billion pesos, 8.53% higher than the previous year's level.
Take note that we are talking of a slower pace of growth in the agricultural sector. I guess that is still better than a flat growth or a negative productivity.